March 25th, 1911. A fire breaks out in a New York factory. Workers run for the exits. But one door won't open. It's locked. Inside the Triangle Shirtwaist Company, safety was an afterthought. For the owners, it was simple. Efficiency over safety. Profit over people. The fire spread in seconds. The Green Street exit was locked. The fire escape collapsed. Trapped, some workers made a horrific choice. Jump. In 18 minutes, 146 lives were lost. Most were young immigrant women, daughters and sisters, chasing the American dream. Grief turned to anger because this was preventable. Investigators found damning evidence of negligence. But the owners were acquitted. They paid just $75 per victim, less than the cost of a sewing machine. But the disaster sparked change. It led to sweeping fire codes, building inspections, and labor protections, forever reshaping workplace safety in America. But the uncomfortable truth? The story didn't end in 1911. From Rana Plaza to today, the pattern repeats. Warnings ignored, workers trapped, lives lost. The Triangle Fire was a warning written in human lives. Over a century later, the question remains, have we truly learned? Because safety is written in the decisions we make every day.